Want to sell cloud services to the US government? First, you have to get past FedRAMP. Welcome to this 5 Minutes FedRAMP Masterclass. Today, we're going to understand fundamentals of this critical program. Established under FISMA, FedRAMP is the government's standardized approach to security for cloud services. It creates a partnership between cloud service providers, federal agencies, and the FedRAMP Program Management Office. The Do Once, Use Many framework allows an authorization for one agency to be reused by others, saving time and money. This ensures that all government data in the cloud is protected by uniform, high-standard security requirements. FedRAMP categorizes systems based on the sensitivity and impact level of the data they handle, from public info to mission-critical data. There are specific security controls required for each of these high, medium, and low impact levels. Let's break down the NIST SP 853 security controls that form the heart of FedRAMP. There are hundreds of controls organized into 17 control families in the NIST framework, ranging from access control to system integrity. Each FedRAMP baseline, low, moderate, high, selects a different number of controls from these families, roughly 125 plus for low, 325 plus for moderate, and 421 plus for high. Access control is paramount, requiring unique user identification and mandatory multi-factor authentication for all users. Audit and accountability ensure that every action on your system is logged and regularly reviewed for anomalies. Configuration management secures baseline configurations for hardware and software, documented change control processes, continuous configuration monitoring. Incident response ensures you have a tested plan to detect, report, and recover from any security breach quickly. System integrity focuses on continuous health monitoring through anti-malware and rapid vulnerability patching. Contingency planning takes care of backup and restore processes, disaster recovery drills, documented recovery time objectives, RTOs, and recovery point objectives, RPOs. Continuous monitoring talks about weekly external vulnerability scans, monthly control assessments, quarterly security status reports, and annual penetration tests. There are 5 key phases of the FedRAMP compliance roadmap. Step 1 is the readiness assessment. In the first few months, you start by mapping system boundaries, identifying data flows, and documenting all third-party dependencies to understand where your sensitive data lives. Next, evaluate your existing security controls against your chosen FedRAMP baseline, low, moderate, or high, to identify gaps that need remediation. Finally, draft your initial System Security Plan, SSP, and a high-level Plan of Actions and Milestones, POA&M, to outline steps to achieve full compliance. In Phase 2, you finalize documentation including the System Security Plan, where you need to ensure the finalized SSP have a detailed control implementation narratives, then develop the Security Assessment Plan, SAP, outlining 3 PAO test procedures. Populate the POA&M with identified gaps and remediation steps, assigning owners and timelines. Phase 3 involves an independent audit by a third-party assessment organization, or 3PAO, to verify your security implementation through rigorous testing. First, engage an accredited 3PAO to perform the SAP-defined security assessment and penetration test. Next, review findings, remediate issues, update SSP and POA&M, and validate fixes. Finally, consolidate the Security Assessment Report, SAR. Once the audit is complete, you submit your security package to the agency or FedRAMP PMO for final review. The final phase is continuous monitoring, where you have to conduct weekly external vulnerability scans and remediate critical findings within 30 days. Perform monthly control assessments, updating the SSP and POA&M. Run annual penetration tests and validate high-impact controls. Submit quarterly security status reports, including metrics on vulnerabilities, incidents, and POA&M progress. Prepare for triennial reauthorization by refreshing the SSP, SAR, and POA&M with current evidence. Let's look into the best practices that is required for a successful FedRAMP authorizations. First, establish a cross-functional FedRAMP governance team comprising security architects, compliance managers, DevOps engineers, and legal advisors. Success requires tight alignment between security, DevOps, and legal. Leveraging infrastructure as code tools like Terraform, ARM templates to codify secure configurations. It ensures your security configurations are consistent, repeatable, and audit-ready. Integrate security checks directly into your CI/CD pipelines to catch vulnerabilities long before they reach production. Engage your 3PAO during the readiness phase. Their early insights can prevent costly remediation later in the process. Finally, deploy a centralized SIEM platform to manage logs and provide the real-time visibility required for continuous monitoring. Maintain a well-practiced incident response program with regular tabletop exercises and simulated cloud events. Automate evidence collection, control status, vulnerability scan results, patch records, using compliance management platforms to reduce manual overhead. FedRAMP is shifting towards zero trust, moving from perimeter-based security to continuous, identity-centric verification.
Integrity check passed. Still clean after the latest patch.
Good. Rotating the graph now. See this cluster?
New controls are being developed specifically for AI and machine learning to ensure the integrity of government models. Supply chain security is a top priority, with new requirements like software bill of materials becoming standard practice. Efforts are also underway to harmonize FedRAMP with international frameworks, making global compliance more efficient. FedRAMP remains the gold standard for cloud security, opening doors to vital federal partnerships. Thank you for watching the video. Start your journey today and visit grctimes.com for more expert resources. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.